hFACTOR is a collective based in Lagos, Nigeria. Using creativity, we look to solve problems faced in our community of Lagos Island. Our process is simple. Ask questions all the time, and in so doing, open up minds to a world of creative possibilities. Our process is primarily collaborative. We work with anyone that is interested in exploring creative models to solve global problems in an artistic way. For the UN Live engagement, we hope to engage both our community and a global audience on the issue of plastic waste and recycling in Lagos. Our city will soon become overrun with plastic waste. Despite an inherent reuse culture that exists in society, the rate of production of plastic outpaces efforts at reusing and recycling. With visions of Lagos City overrun by plastic, our aim was to remove the negativity that is seen in this vision of Lagos. A subtle change in the way we approach and use plastic is therefore needed. In order to do this, we worked with Olufela Omokeko, a performance artist, to create a masquerade costume from bottles that we found scattered around our Lagos Island community after the local masquerade festival that took place on Berkeley Street. The masquerade is one of Nigeria's oldest traditions and a spectacle of color, wonder, and magic. Using this tradition to channel the ideology of plastic recycling would at once capture the minds of people on the streets and force them to ask questions about this seemingly bizarre occurrence on the streets of Lagos. The imagery of this plastic masquerade also envisions a future in which age-old traditions are being activated in new and contemporary ways. It begins to open up space to ask questions of how we can imagine the future of Lagos City. The first part of the film was created by Bubu Ogisi of the hFACTOR Collective. In it, she addresses the city itself and how plastic waste is part of a larger, living, breathing system that is created by a population almost 20 million strong. Dafe Oboro, a talented videographer and editor who works with the collective, weaves these two pieces together. They combine to create one piece in which the city and its people have entered into dialogue, something that is done every day. It is at once a reflection on the present state of affairs and a vision of what the future can hold if the perception around plastic waste changes.